The second problem is a little bit harder. It's a subtraction problem. 2 over 2p plus 3 minus p minus 5 p minus 4. First thing we have to do is multiply this equation by the denominator. So that would give us 2p minus 8 over 2p plus 3 and 2 and a p minus 4. There we go. We have our first one done. Now we need to subtract that by multiplying this denominator by this equation. That gives us 2p plus 3p minus 5 over the same denominator that we had before, 2p plus 3p minus 4. Now we can combine these two equations together over the same denominator that we had before. 2p minus 8 minus this whole equation that we had last time, 2p plus 3p minus 5, all over the same denominator of 2p plus 3p minus 4. Now comes the tricky part. This is factoring this. So we need to make this negative sign and multiply it into both of these. But before we do that, we have to factor these two problems, this 2p plus 3, into this p minus 5. So we must have a factor square. Our equation was, as I draw the square, two p plus 3 and p minus 5. 2p times p equals 2p squared. P times 3 equals 3p. 2p times negative 5 equals negative 10p. And 3 times negative 5 equals negative 15. This squared part is 2p squared. 3p minus 10 equals negative 7p. And negative 15 stays on its own. Now that we've done that, we can put it into that equation. And part of this 2p times plus 3 times p minus 5. So, as we put it into the equation, 2p minus 8 minus that equation right here, 2p squared minus 7p minus 15. Sorry. Now we can multiply all this by this negative, making it 2p minus 8 minus 2p squared plus 7p minus another plus 15.